My name's James Lockerbie, I'm a snow sports instructor. Today I'm here at the Snow Centre in Hemel Hempstead, and on this session we're going to run through parallel turns. Whereas we were using the snowplow before as a balance and stabilisers, the stabilisers are off and we're trying to keep our skis parallel all the way through the turn. This has given us a wider range of turn shapes and sizes that we can do in lots of different terrain across the mountain. So we're going to go through the parallel turns, but we're going to imagine this time that our toes are like our fingers. And we imagine our fingers as playing on the keyboard and we're rolling along the keys. And we're doing the same with our toes, feeling through the snow, and we're rolling over as we start to turn our feet at the top of the turn. So we're going to go through some side slipping. Remember, we're standing on the same edge each ski this time, looking down the slope, weight on the downhill facing ski, which will be the outside ski of the turn. Nice and relaxed in our legs, looking down. We're going to stretch to start to slide. And then I'm going to soften my legs and my edges will grip and I'll come to a stop. Now we're going to have a go at some parallel turns. So just like we have been before, all the way through the progression, at the top of the turn, we're stretching our legs at the same time, turning both feet at the same time, trying to keep the skis parallel through the turn. Now, softening the legs through the middle and the end, majority of the weight on the outside ski. We're going to now go and give it a go. Rolling, feeling through the feet. Roll. So just a quick recap on the things that we've gone over in this session. So when we're doing the parallel turns, we're turning both feet first at the same time, still majority of weight on the outside ski, using the movements that help us do that, stretching and softening our legs as we go. We're looking at the side slipping, another mountain skill that helps us get used to our edges, how we're moving, balancing, rolling from one edge to the other. And we're also, again, putting that back into our skiing, thinking about our feet we were talking about before, like their fingers rolling along a keyboard as we're rolling our feet and turning our feet at the same time for us to make sure we're nice and balanced as we're turning our feet through the parallel turns. These are just a few tips for you to think about in and out of your lesson, but remember, this is a really hard point of your progression and your instructor is there to give you all the personal development that you'll need.